Harlech on the 5th anniversary of the steepest street in the world. This is Ffordd Pen Llech. It is 37.5 or 37.4 degrees, and this has been in competition with a street in New Zealand, although this was technically classed as the world's steepest street now in the northern hemisphere. But does that mean it's still the steepest street in the world? But either way, we're going to walk up the steepest street in the world because it says on the sign it is the steepest street in the world. And here we are. There's a corner. It's incredibly steep. This is not a long walk, by the way. I wouldn't even say it was half a mile from the bottom to the top. I'd say probably like a quarter of a mile because it's incredibly steep. And luckily we picked a really sunny, warm day to do it, just to make it even better. But yeah, there we are, the steepest bit, I think. If you look there on the ground, you can actually see where cars have bottomed out trying to take this corner. You can see all the scrape marks. See them all around the corner there. Unsuitable for motor vehicles. It's also unsuitable to walk up, sort of.